Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. So this is the quick tips and trick video. So this is voucher transaction form. If you want to perform any kind of calculation, so you can just click over here. You don't have to export this data and to Excel, and you can calculate the data and sum and average, minimum, maximum. You can perform that kind of transaction over here. So you have to click on three dots and show footer. Here you can, let me close this. If you want to total this number, you can just click on this plus button and sum this. So this is how you can see the sum. Similarly, you can calculate the average, and if you go to minimum and maximum, you can calculate the minimum and maximum as well. And here it will show you the total row of data. So if I clear this filter, okay, here you can see it is keep on changing. So if I sum this, since this is a 1-day transaction, the sum is 0 for these transactions. So this is how you can perform the calculation on D365 page itself. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video with new tips and tricks.